How to check if a string in Python is in ASCII. How do I check whether a string is in ASCII or not? I am aware of ORD, however when I try ORD, I have type error column ORD, expected a character, but string of length 2 found. I understood it is caused by the way I built Python, as explained in ORD's documentation. Is there another way to check?
I think you are not asking the right question. A string in Python has no property corresponding to ASCII UTF-8 or any other encoding. The source of your string, whether you read it from a file, input from a keyboard, etc., may have encoded a Unicode string in ASCII to produce your string, but that's where you need to go for an answer. Perhaps the question you can ask is this string the result of encoding a Unicode string in ASCII? This you can answer by trying.
In Python 3, we can encode the string as UTF-8, then check whether the length stays the same. If so, then the original string is ASCII. To check, pass the test string.
New in Python 3.7, Pyth 32677. No more tiresome, inefficient ASCII checks on strings. New built-in str bytes byte array method .isAscii will check if the strings is ASCII.
Vincent Marchetti has the right idea, but str.decode has been deprecated in Python 3. In Python 3 you can make the same test with str.encode. Note the exception you want to catch has also changed from Unicode decoder to Unicode encoder.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.